Hi. Last week I gave my first talk in English and I realized after the talk that I had nothing that I had shared before in English. So I decided to start sharing some information in English because I think that's my next step. I just gave a video about Hoponopono. I just shared that information and now I'm gonna share it in English for the people that do not know Spanish. So let's start. This video is going to be about Hoponopono and how can we use this technique to make this situation we are living actually like now in the world to make it better. First, I'm going to explain a little bit about Hoponopono so you know what it is about. If not, you are not going to be able to use it. And Hoponopono is, first of all, it is a philosophy. It is a way of living. Hoponopono says that 100% of what happens in our life is a projection of our subconscious mind. The subconscious mind is the part of our mind that has all the information about us. It's like everything that we have lived, we have heard, we have smelled, we have touched, everything we have experienced, even when we were babies. So the subconscious mind has things that we cannot remember consciously. It also has recorded information about the lives of our ancestors. So as you can see, there's a lot there because even if I don't know if you can believe in past lives, but if you believe in that, which I do, it is also recorded there. The subconscious mind is approximately 90% of our mind. Our conscious mind is approximately 10%. So as you can see, there's a big chunk of subconscious mind, and that's creating our life at all moments. So it is a technique that we can use to unprogram what is recorded there. Beliefs, emotions, memories, traumas, like everything that is in there that we know is not creating the life that we want to create. We can use Hoponopono to unprogram this. So the first thing is see it as can I see the importance of my subconscious mind? I have to take 100% responsibility. And if that's the first big change, because that can change the whole way I see life. It's a whole new perception of life. When I have this point of view, I stop seeing the other as my enemy. The other one is my teacher. Is the person that is showing me what is on my subconscious mind. So it's like if I'm not gonna get mad with my teacher, right? It's like I'm gonna heal that my teacher is showing me. I'm not gonna be mad at him. Well, I can be mad, but then I know I have to heal that anger. So that's like the first thing about the subconscious mind and Hoponopono. And Hoponopono uses the 4 healing words: I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, and I love you. So it is what I like about Hoponopono is that it's a very subtle tool that works on the subconscious mind to unprogram without the subconscious mind, when you, for example, say an affirmation like life is easy. If my subconscious mind doesn't believe that, it's gonna block that. It's gonna actually bring me something to show me that no, life is not easy. So the Hoponopono, what I like is that it's very subtle and that can work without making that reaction on the subconscious mind. And that happens because the subconscious mind has all the programs. So for example, our heartbeat, how we breathe, all of that is in our subconscious mind. So the subconscious mind has to protect the programs because it's for our life, right? It's for to be alive. I mean, we need that protection to be alive. So if if we understand it is like we're not gonna get mad with the subconscious mind, it's just like, okay, it's like trying to protect me. So how can I go and unprogram my subconscious mind without creating this firewall? Like it's like without it's like we touch the firewall and like it blocks what we want to create. So this is important. So you can use your the Hoponopono is great to heal this and unprogram the mind without really creating this reaction. So that's what I love about Hoponopono. And Hoponopono uses these words: I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, and I love you. That is actually, it's like creating, using the energy of forgiveness, gratitude or appreciation, and love to heal. And when you say those words, you are saying a lot. It's like a mantra. And for example, if I say, I'm sorry, I'm saying that to the part of me, the high self that is closest to source. So that's very important. Who am I saying this to? Because many people are like, or for example, me, the first time it's like, who am I saying this to? So it's very important to know that we are saying this to our highest self that is closest to source. So with that, we start saying, for example, I'm sorry. It's like I'm saying to that part of me, I'm sorry for creating this situation in my life. I'm sorry for believing this and creating something that I didn't like. When I say thank you, is thank you for showing me this situation. Because if I understand that my subconscious mind is going to project and my life is going to be showing me what I have on my subconscious mind, then I have to be thankful. Because since my subconscious mind has things about ancestors, other lives, when I was a baby, then I have to be grateful that I know what is there. So it's like, thank you, life, for showing me this belief that I have. So when I say thank you for showing me this. Thank you, because now that I know that is in there, I can heal it. I can fix it. I can make it better. And when I say I love you, it's like I'm injecting the energy of love into that situation that is in disharmony. Love is really the energy that unifies everything in the world. So it's like in the universe. So it's the unity energy. So when I use love, when I say I love you, what I'm saying is I'm injecting love into this situation to heal. So that's important to know. What am I saying? Why am I saying I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, and I love you? So I just wanted to explain that a little bit so you know who are you saying it to and why, for what reason. And then I'm gonna give you some examples of how can you use those words to, for example, change what we are creating in the world right now. So for example, if I'm afraid with the situation, I can say, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, and I love you, right? I can use that. So I say, for example, I'm sorry for being afraid. I'm sorry that I'm creating this situation. I'm helping create this situation that is making me be fearful or making others fearful. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, and I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, and I love you. And then, for example, I'm saying that, and suddenly I remember I have a belief. I have a belief that things are, the world is in chaos and it's not getting any better, it's getting worse. For example, it's like, oh, things are not getting better. Things are not going to get better. So then it's like, oh, I have that belief. So if that's in my mind, I'm going to create that, or I'm going to help create that. So I have to clean that from my subconscious. So I start saying, I'm sorry, please forgive me for having that belief and for not believing that things can be better. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, and I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, and I love you. So I just keep going like that. And then, for example, I think, oh my God, I cannot believe that the president or that the government can make things better. I think that they only do things for themselves and they do not think about anybody else, right? So I am like, oh, I have that belief. If I have that belief, I'm going to help create that. Okay, so I'm sorry for having that belief. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. And I love you. So I'm like using my conscious mind to see the pattern. So when as I'm saying these words, things start popping in my mind. So it's like information comes up about what I'm seeing out there or what I'm working on. So you have to be conscious when you're doing Hoponopono. Because if I just, let's say I'm just thinking, what am I going to eat later? And I'm saying the Hoponopono, like, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, and I love you. But I'm not really thinking about, I'm not like connected to source or to my soul to feel what is there. Then it really is not going to work as well. It may make me feel a little bit better, but it really won't create change. So it's very important to be conscious of what you're saying. And that doesn't mean I have to be here sitting still and doing nothing. I can be actually walking in the street, and let's say I'm walking and I start saying this, but at the same time I'm thinking, oh, I have this belief. Oh, I have this fear. Oh, I remember when I was little, I saw this news and I got really afraid that something was going to happen, or I have that beliefs there or memories that I have to heal. So for example, if I discover I have memories of unfairness, of fear that I'm working on, then I start saying, I'm sorry, please forgive me. Or it's like I give permission to source or to divine energy to release all that from my subconscious mind. So it's like divine presence, please release all of those memories that I have on my subconscious mind, all of that is associated with that fear, all of those memories of unfairness, of injustice, of fear. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, and I love you. It's like as I say those words, it's like I can give that command. It's like as I say those words, please release all of those memories, all of those beliefs. So I just give the command and I start saying, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, and I love you. For example, I'm saying that and I start feeling very sad. Then I'm sorry for having all this sadness and creating this all over again. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, and I love you. So I keep working on all that is coming up. So it's like I'm very conscious of what's going on as I say these words, and I start like on programming with the words. So it's like I keep adding that. So it's like that I can use with everything in my life. I'm just saying now with the example of this the situation we are living worldwide. So that's I just wanted to give a little bit of information about that so you can use it in your lives. And people that actually heard my talk last week can use it. I was on that talk. I was talking about relationships, so you can use that for that also, for what I explained or shared last week. So I hope this helps you and it helps you use Hoponopono better. Thank you. Goodbye.